Hello student, microorganism a wonderful world. Let's start introduction. Microorganisms are present all around us, but they are too small to be seen with naked eye. They are present everywhere in the atmosphere, like air, water and soil. Microorganisms are very small organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They can be seen only with a microscope. Microorganism may be unicellular or multicellular. Microorganism may exist alone or in colonies. For example, you might observe what that during the rainy season moist bread gets spoiled and its surface get covered with ग्रीनिश वाइट पेचेस। आप लोग अपने घर में देखते होंगे जब आप ब्रेड का पैकेट ख़रीद के लेके आते हैं तो उसको रेनी सीज़न में जब आप लोग रख देते हैं 1 दिन के लिए या 2 दिन के लिए तो आप लोग देखते होंगे उसमें ग्रीन और वाइट कलर के पैचेस आ जाते हैं। दैट इज़ कॉल्ड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। Types of microorganisms. There are 4 main types of microorganism. They are bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. For example, bacteria, Lactobacillus, E. coli, etc. Algae, Chilmemodonas, Spirogyra, etc. Fungi, bread mold, Penicillium, Aspergillosis, etc. Protozoas, amoeba, paramecium, etc. Viruses are also considered as microorganisms. They are different from other microorganisms because they reproduce only in the body of host organisms like bacteria, plants or animals. Common ailments like cold, influenza yani flu and most coughs are caused by viruses. Serious disease like polio, chickenpox are also caused by viruses. जब हमको फ्लू होता है या नॉर्मल कफ होता है तो वो किसकी वजह से होता है? वायरस की ही वजह से होता है। वायरस की वजह से सीरियस डिजीज़ भी हो सकती है, लाइक पोलियो हो सकता है, चिकन पॉक्स हो सकता है और भी दूसरी डिजीज़ हमें हो सकती हैं। This is the pictures of bacteria, algae, protozoa and fungi. These all are examples of microorganisms types. Algae. Let's see. Introduction. The general term algae includes prokaryotic organism, cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, as well as eukaryotic organism. All other algae species. Algae are a diverse group of aquatic organisms that have the ability to conduct photosynthesis. Algae are found in a range of aquatic habitats, both freshwater and saltwater. Algae are also able to survive on land. Some places where they grow are tree trunk and animal fur. आप लोग देखते होंगे एल्गी ज़्यादातर कहाँ सर्वाइव करती है? एक्यूटिक प्लांट्स में। एक्यूटिक में यानी कि आप लोग देखते होंगे जो तालाब का पानी वगैरह रहता होगा उसमें बोलते हैं काई जम गई, मीन्स ग्रीन ग्रीन कलर का जो रहता है वो ही आपका क्या रहता है? एल्गी रहता है। एल्गी पानी के अंदर भी सर्वाइव कर सकता है और लैंड पे भी सर्वाइव कर सकता है। नॉर्मली हम लोग देखते हैं बारिश के मौसम में ट्री में नीचे ट्रंक में ग्रीन ग्रीन हो जाता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड algae. आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ एल्गी. हम लोग एल्गी को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, उसकी पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे गिवन है आपको. नेक्स्ट इज फंगी. Fungi is the plural of fungus, a member of a large group of eukaryotic organisms familiar as mushroom. These organisms are classified as a kingdom fungi, which is separate from plants, animals, protists, and bacteria. One major difference is that fungal cells have cell wall that contain chitin, unlike that the cell walls of plants and some protists, which contain cellulose, and unlike the cell wall of bacteria. The study of fungi is known as mycology. Mycology has often been regarded as a branch of botany, even though it is a separate kingdom in biological taxonomy. Genetic studies have shown that fungi are more closely related to animals than to plants. This is the picture of kingdom of fungi. फंगी ज़्यादातर मशरूम्स में ही होती है. मशरूम ही आपका फंगी का एग्जाम्पल है. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोटोजोआ. Introduction. The word protozoa is come from Greek protozoon word meaning first animal. Protozoa are unicellular या maybe multicellular eukaryotic microorganism. Protozoa constitute a large group of about 65,000 species, most of which are harmless, free living, and inhabits water and soil. A few species are pathogenic in nature, parasites human and other animals, causing hundreds of millions of infections in a year around the world. This is the picture of protozoa. First picture is Paramecium, is the example of protozoa. Next is bacteria. Bacteria prokaryotic microorganisms, a single-celled microscopic organism that lack nuclei and other organized cell structures. Bacteria is the plural form of bacterium. While several bacterial species are pathogenic, capable of causing disease, most are non-infectious and many have critical role in decay, fermentation, nutrient recycling, and nitrogen fixation. Bacteria are usually classified as germ-positive or germ-negative based on a basic microbiological staining procedure called the germ stain. They come in a variety of shapes and size. This is the shape of bacteria. Next is viruses. A virus is a non-cellular particle made up of genetic material and protein that can invade living cells. This is the picture of virus. Virus normally हमको जो हम लोग को डिसीज़ होती है, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल जैसे कि कफ, कोल्ड, नॉर्मल जो सीज़न चेंज होने में होती है, वो वायरस के ही हेल्प से हमें होती है. तो वायरस हमारी बॉडी में आ जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें नॉर्मल फर्स्ट कफ कोल्ड होता है। ओके ओके स्टूडेंट, microorganism a wonderful world is completed. Thank you.